Alright adventurers, next stop on the celebrity eclipse, Ushuaia, Argentina. This place is seriously cool. It's part of Patagonia, that massive region at the bottom of South America. Think towering mountains, glaciers galore, and wide open spaces. Ushuaia itself sits on Tierra del Fuego, which translates to Land of Fire. The name came from Spanish explorers who observed bonfires lit by local native populations. Not exactly fire hot in Ushuaia, but it's considered by many to be the most southern city in the world. Brr, you can practically feel Antarctica breathing down your neck. Hi, my name is Chris Launder, and if you're new to the channel, we create travel content from my travels all over the world. If you're coming back to the channel, well, welcome back. In this video, we explore Patagonia's paradise, Tierra del Fuego National Park, discover stunning landscapes of pristine lakes, winding rivers, and majestic mountains. We'll also embark on a thrilling journey aboard the end-of-the-world train. This historic railway offers awesome views as it snakes through the heart of the national park. But the adventure doesn't stop here, so join me as we explore Ushuaia. Good morning from Ushuaia, Argentina. We know we want to go to Tierra del Fuego, the most beautiful natural park we hear is in all of Patagonia. We're excited for you to come along with us, so let's get it up. All right, so we're not gonna get a private tour. We're gonna take the train and then we're gonna do like a van tour. It's about 5 hours, so we were worried if we tried to search too hard for a private tour that we'd end up missing the group tours. So we're rolling in a group, train and van tour. Should be fun though.
The mountain that we see here to the right side is called Condor Mountain.
Trying to get a good view, trying to get closer to the lake here, and definitely gonna have wet feet for the rest of the day. It's very wet, swampy. Price we pay for good footage, right? So we have a little stop here for about 30 minutes, bathroom break. We've been in the van for probably, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, and then we're gonna take the train. I guess the train's gonna be about an hour. This allows you to kind of see more of the park, doing the combination of both the bus and the train. So there's 3 different colors, lots of animals, 3 different colors. So kind of like the fall foliage, it's all red. In summertime, you got green with a little bit of snow-capped mountains. And obviously in the wintertime, you have snow everywhere. Obviously they have in the area penguins and sea lions, and they have condors. I read that they have pumas, but the guide said that they don't. ¿Qué más animales?
Guanaco.
¿Guanaco qué es? What is guanaco?
Es como la llama, pero solo crecen por aquí, solo son de esta región.
So now that we're in Tierra del Fuego National Park, let's talk a little bit about this place. This is the archipelago at the southernmost tip of South America. Want to know who coined the name Tierra del Fuego? It was discovered by Ferdinand Magellan. The Strait of Magellan was also named after this Portuguese explorer. We just so happened to pass through here while on the celebrity eclipse, so you can check out that vlog as well on our channel. The archipelago is split between 2 countries, Argentina. The eastern part belongs to the province of Tierra del Fuego, Antarctica, and some South Atlantic islands. Its capital, Ushuaia, proudly holds the title of the world's southernmost city. Chile. The western part is in the region of the Magallanes and Chilean Antarctica. But what makes Tierra del Fuego so special? Mountainous and forested landscapes. With peaks soaring over 8,200 feet or 2,500 meters, you'll find stunning glaciers. Here we have a chilly and humid climate. Average annual temperatures hover around 30 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. And the unique biodiversity. This place is home to amazing species like we mentioned previously on the video. The archipelago is also known for its stunning views, especially the beautiful lakes and rivers that split the islands.
Look at this view of the lake. Breezy. We're here at the visitor center. Gonna get some snacks. Don't really have time for a full lunch. All right, we are in ¿Qué es esto? Okay, here at a lake in Ensenada, no?
Located within the Tierra del Fuego National Park, Bahia Ensenada Zaratigi is a must-visit spot for coach tours, and it's easy to see why. The scenery here is absolutely stunning, offering breathtaking views that captivate every traveler.
I see you talking over there, trying not to stare, but you like what you see. Moonwalking on the air, yeah, it ain't even fair, so on top of the beat. Better listen up, we about to make it happen.
So I just got some drone footage. Hopefully I didn't miss the train. We're at the train at the end of the world here. Hopefully the train that took off is not ours. Alright, so the train doesn't leave for another 45 minutes, so I'm good, I'm in the clear. I tried to rush out to get some drone footage, and the rest of the group went inside, and I didn't see any of them for about 15 minutes, so good to go. I'm gonna try to get the drone up again. Hopefully I don't lose it. There's a lot of wind, so I had a warning, and I also had a height warning for some reason. Well, I got the drone up again. My hands are so cold, it's so windy here. Had another wind advisory, and I reached maximum altitude again. Hopefully I got a little bit of a panoramic view. You have an idea what the park is like, but we're not actually in the park, as I mentioned, so a lot of the beauty I wasn't able to capture, unfortunately, but I did get a little bit. Got some of the snow-capped mountains in the background, and hopefully it came out all right. Unfortunately, I realized one of my drone blades is cracked, and a piece at the end is kind of coming off, so I don't even know if I can fly anymore with the condition of the drone, but hopefully I have some backup blades. I do have some, I just don't remember if I brought them with me, so I'm gonna have to check on the ship, but pretty cool place. Got a little bit of the train as well, so you'll see that in a few. So I had to get myself a little souvenir. What do you think? Cape Horn. Fin de mundo.
¿También de Perú? ¿Habla español?
Un poco.
Where are you from?
The US.
US. Well, look. If you want to hear the history of the train in English, you must plug the headphones inside the train, channel number 2.
Two?
Okay? Yeah. Canal número 1 para el español. ¿Vale?
Thank you. Alright, so I guess we plug in our stuff here. So we have our own little cabin. And we're getting shut in.
We've made a stop at the La Macarena station. This is the only stop at the end of the world that the train makes on its route, where it's time to visit a small waterfall nearby.
So we get a little stop. Once we hear the choo-choo, we need to get back on.
It's a great opportunity to enjoy the landscape of the area. It's also a perfect spot for photos and soaking in the natural beauty of the region. The train de fin de mundo has a unique history that dates back to the early 20th century. Initially, it was constructed to serve the Ushuaia prison, which housed some of Argentina's most notorious criminals. This primary purpose of the railway was to transport the timber from the dense, rugged forest around Ushuaia back to the prison. The construction for this narrow-gauge railway began in 1909 and played a crucial role in supporting the prison's operations. By the 1940s, the prison closed and the railway was left unused. However, the story didn't end there. In the 1990s, efforts were made to restore the train as a tourist attraction, and it reopened to the public in 1994, offering visitors a chance to experience a piece of history while also enjoying awesome views. Talk about track details. The train travels along at a 7.6-mile route, or 12.5 kilometers, winding through the stunning landscapes of Tierra del Fuego. It's a short trip, but packed with gorgeous scenery and historical interest. This train has some unique features. It's a steam-powered locomotive, adding to the vintage charm of the ride. It provides a nostalgic experience with its old-fashioned carriages and authentic steam engine. As we travel, you'll see some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. From lush forests and snow-capped mountains to the rugged wilderness of Tierra del Fuego, every turn on the track offers a new view. Our incredible train journey through Tierra del Fuego National Park has come to an end. We're now heading back to Ushuaia by bus. With the park adventure behind us, it's time to explore some of the local attractions closer to the cruise port.
So as you can see, I still have my Cape Horn captain hat on from after the train ride. It was nice. I wish I could have gotten a little bit more into the park and had a little bit more time there, but still a great time. Great sights, very beautiful. The city here is amazing too. They have this backdrop of the snow-capped mountains where you really can't beat it. Can't beat the view.
And that's a wrap on a Ushuaia vlog. If you're a nature lover who craves stunning views, this adventure was definitely for you. Ushuaia and Tierra del Fuego National Park are absolute must visits. Let me know your favorite part in the comments below. But wait, there's more. Our Celebrity Eclipse cruise is just getting started. We've got more incredible Patagonia adventures coming your way. Check out the links of our past trips in the description, including the cruise vlog on the Celebrity Eclipse. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel epic content. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy travels.